When you create a publication in Horizon, for example a web landing page, by far the quickest and simplest way to do that is to do it from a template. So let's take a look at how we can create a new publication template. So we're in the content area of Horizon, and down here under the publishing section we can see our publication content and a heading here called reusable templates. Let's go into the templates and click add new publication template. Okay, so creating a template, publication template, is exactly the same process as creating a regular publication. First give it a name. So in this case, let's create a web landing page template. So let's call it web landing page, and we'll decide on the media type, which is just going to be web in this case for this publication, or we have other media types like posting to IVR or Twitter. We're going to be publishing this landing page on our experiencehorizon.com domain, so we'll leave that type there. And okay, let's start adding some pages to our publication. We start by default with a single page called default page. We're going to change that to something like connect with us, whatever the title is that you might want on that page. That's the title that appears in the web browser bar. And because it's a landing page, we're going to have a form, and then when someone completes that form, we're going to have a thank you page. So let's click add page and create our thank you page. Okay, so right now we've got 2 pages we've created in this publication template. So what we're going to do now is to start creating the look and feel for these pages. So I'm going to select a web page layout. And we have a whole library of layouts here. We can again work with you to create layouts which reflect your brand very, very tightly. So if you haven't got layouts that you like straight away, come talk to us. So let's select a simple 2-column layout for the main landing page. And then for the thank you page, we'll have a simpler layout which is maybe just a single column. So let's go select one of those. Okay. So on this first page, we're going to start pulling in things like our logo and a heading and so on. So to do that, it's just like the same editor we have for our emails. We can just drill into our content library here. Let's select our logo. By the way, you can upload images into the repository here if they're not there already. You can do that straight from this screen. So let's select our logo, and let's give that some alt text, just for anyone who's not displaying images. And we'll have our heading here, so again maybe connect with us. Now what we could do here, let's just make that a heading 1, is the same way you can with messages. You can create template fields. So when someone, one of your users uses this template to create a new publication, they're automatically prompted to complete key piece of information. So actually what we'll do here, we'll select the template field icon, and let's call that our heading. So what we're building here is a placeholder for a heading. Someone's going to be prompted to add that heading as soon as they use this template. Okay, so on the left here, let's say something like this, 3 great reasons to sign up. And again, have another template field here, which is called something like 3 reasons. Let's add that, and we'll make that bold. Okay, in our footer here, we're going to have things like our company name and address. We can add those through merge tags. So when you signed up for Horizon, we added things like your company name and address. You can just add those merge tag placeholders here. So again, if you change those details from the Horizon homepage, they will automatically get pulled through to the footer here, and you can add whatever you want in the footer. Okay, and on the right hand side here of this landing page, we're going to have the web form. So let's click on Insert, Edit Form. You'll see from the publications video that it's possible to change the form fields. Once you use this template to create a new publication, you can alter these fields. So these are really just a starting point. But we'll have first name, last name, maybe let's select an email address. It was useful to capture those from people when they're signing up for a form. We've got opt-in categories here, so again, if this was a sign-up form for a newsletter, you might want to pull on opt-in categories. Let's just remove that one for now. And we've got things like our submit button. So, okay, what we can do here, we can make email a mandatory field. So let's just click on email, tick mandatory there. click apply, and we'll have on our submit button, let's change the label of that to something like sign up, and when someone fills it out, we'll take them to the thank you page. We'll update the record, and any campaign that this publication, this landing page is used in, if they submit that through that button, we want to trigger or flag that as being success on this campaign. So I'll tick this box as well. Okay, we'll click on apply to save those changes, and click apply again to come out of the form builder. Okay, so there's our form, which then goes through to the thank you page. On the thank you page itself, again, let's look at bringing in things like the logos. We can just do a cut and paste on those just to make it a bit quicker. We can bring in again that same heading that we've added there, and we'll bring in those merge tags again into the footer, and let's just have a little bit of a personalized thank you message. So thanks, and then the person's first name, so select that as a smart insert. Thanks, first name, with you. Okay, so there we go. That's our template all set up, so we can click on save. And there's our web landing page template all set up. So let's just see how that can be used. So we're going to go in now and create a new publication based on that template. So let's do that. Okay, so let's add a new publication content, and we'll select, let's call this on our whatever the publication is going to be called, and we'll select our new landing page template. Okay, so when we select that template, what Horizon will do is pull in the look and feel, and it's prompting us now for our heading and our 3 reasons for signing up. So let's put the heading in, sign up now, and 3 reasons: it's fun, educational, okay, there's our 3 reasons. And let's click create message, and what will happen now is Horizon pulls all that data, the template layout, and that content we just typed straight into our landing page. So here we go. We made it a little bit of formatting on that. And so we've got our template with our logo, it's got the heading, it's got the form we created from the template, it's got the 3 reasons, and on the second page again it's got the heading, it's got the personalized thank you, and so on. So if we wanted to change any of those things, again, we can just do that here. We can just change any of the content once you're creating the publication from the template. And there we go. There's a brand new landing page created in a few seconds from a publication template.